follow me on Instagram, like me on Facebook, and subscribe to me on my YouTube channel. Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in today. My name is Valerie Mercado, and I'd like to consider myself your Central Coast host. And what that means is I'm the person that lives here on the Central Coast, so I get to take you to all the hottest spots, whether it's breweries, wineries, outdoor dining, just amazing businesses that you'll always enjoy visiting along with me. And I'm hoping that you will make your way here to Pismo Beach and all of the Central Coast to see everything there is to do. And if not, I will be your personal tour guide. So please join me. Today we're going to be visiting Cool Cats Cafe, Harry's Corral, and Splash Cafe, and so much more. So tune in every Monday where I'm going to take you to all the hot spots here on the Central Coast. We are at Harry's Corral, so excited, and this just opened this last holiday weekend. So just so you all know and have a breakdown here, it's $20 per person and includes an entree. And then as you can see here, again, this is Harry's Corral. So it's a completely different setup than what you're used to at Harry's. If you don't have any Harry's swag, they have swag here. I'm rocking my pink sweater because it's pretty chilly out tonight. And we have the cigar bar back there. And so guys and girls, you can come and pick out a cigar, enjoy your cocktail and everything else. So it's pretty cool. The bar is back here, and again, they'll come and serve you at your table, so you really don't have to get up and do much. They've got everything here set up. There's the 805 Firestone tap, and we've got the cigar bar over here with your selection of cigars. And again, they'll come and serve you at your table, so you really don't have to get up and do much. All right, we'll see you guys here. Hope to see you tomorrow. Another family-owned and operated hotspot right here in downtown Pismo Beach is Cool Cats Cafe. Still making killer burgers since the beginning of time by a family who loves food. Cool Cats is now open for outdoor dining and can soon have indoor dining at 25% capacity. Cool Cats is also known for their amazing burgers, homemade sauces, which I absolutely love, and a Hawaiian flair, which you can always expect on the menu. A must-try is their famous Don Ho burger. Oh wow. The Don Ho is topped with pineapple, bacon, and melted jack cheese and smothered with their Hawaiian sauce. So be sure to stop in at Cool Cats where you can expect great service and amazing burgers. And of course, you can't even mention Pismo Beach without mentioning Splash Cafe, right? I know you've all been there, and for those of you that haven't been there in the past year, you will be happy to know that they have a great walk-up window now, and they also have an outdoor dining section for you all.
Look at that.
My favorite.
My God, it's so good, Mom.
So you got to say thank you to Joanne.
Thank you so much, Joanne. Thank you. God bless you, dear. And thank you for the flower.
Oh, yeah. We have so many great places, so many more to cover. So continue to tune in every Monday at 12:30, and I will tell you what my next hotspot picks are. See you then. And don't forget, follow me on Instagram, like me on Facebook, and subscribe to me on my YouTube channel. Windmill Farms is the perfect venue for your wedding and reception. We have the perfect setting for your special day. Our lush grounds provide the perfect backdrop for those memories of a lifetime. We can comfortably sit up to 150 people, all tables and chairs provided if needed. We have ample seating along with a bar and dance floor area. Your wedding is a day that you will cherish for the rest of your lives. Happiness and forever bonded with your special someone. Memories that you will never get tired of, and memories you can share with your children and grandchildren. Your perfect memories begin with your perfect venue.